Right, this is day 2 on sketches from my new book, The Addictive. You know all about it, and if you don't, this is a reproduction of my sketchbook by Search Press. It's my latest book. You can now get signed copies. I'm doing this because, again, this is not an instructional book, but it has all my sketches in it. So I'll be doing these sketches to show you how I've gone about them. So today we're going to do another one, same medium as yesterday, and it's of a woman I sketched from King's Cross to Farringdon. This was on the 1st of August 2016. Right, so let's go. First thing I'll be looking at when I see her is her head. I want to get that in, so I quickly make a circle. Then the next thing is the connection of her neck, which is this area here. And then I'll just go quickly so you can notice how I'm starting from the contour. The little bun she has on top there, and then I use angles again. Remember I talked about this yesterday, angles just to get the side, and then just a little bit of I would say few profile marks. They're not really strong. And then between her ear and then here, I like to just treat the hair just like I'm combing the hair. So you comb it from the back and then quickly, and I think the bun is dark, so I'm just going to shade that in very dark. Now, most importantly, there's only one shade under her ear, and that kind of makes it look three-dimensional. The next thing is her neck. So her neck and then into the shoulder is one stroke, and then the next stroke is like her what's it called? Her vest. And then I'm just gonna go quickly now. So there, one angle, there, one angle. There, one angle, underneath, one angle, in, one angle. You train yourself a curve, one angle. Okay, then you see the movement now. There's a bit of a movement. So you see me using the organic lines in between just to see that movement. Remember, it's a sketch. It takes the pressure off, so there's no worry. Now, the angle of her hip. All right, so important. So you can see me using organic lines. I talk about that in my other book. Now, very important now is the swing of the vest right here. And then over here is a swift line. You can see how swift I did that. And the connection between that fold and then her hip, so important. This is the hip there. That's a nice curve that just goes straight in. And then she has a bag. So the bag is, I think the bag was straight. So I'm just going to pull one line and then a bit of it showed. And then just kind of like in the corner here, and then I'm going to quickly darken a bit of her trousers that I saw, or a skirt, I can't remember what she was wearing. And I'm going to continue the bag right from here and then shade. I think I quickly did the broad strokes again, just around here. And her other hand was resting on something like, I can't say, notice that I didn't complete it, but I'm going to use the broad, when I talk about the broad stroke, this is what the pencil is doing. It's doing broad strokes. And remember, I'm using this Farb Recent Color Giants by Lyra. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's lovely. Then let's go to that. And I didn't do much there, but then the weight of the lines, I'm just going to hone on this now. This line is in, so it's going to be heavy. This line is going to be heavy. This will be heavy in the bag over here, a little bit here. And now just some hatching just to show the movement. And then here, just to create that 3D effect from the side, and boom, a little bit here. Hatching again, a few lines. And this is how I would have done that sketch from King's Cross to Farringdon. Thank you. Remember the Addictive Sketcher. If you haven't got this one explains the techniques, and this one shows all the sketches in one sketchbook. See you tomorrow for day 3. Thank you.